In this part, we are going to add this line and also these 4 buttons. So when the user click on this, you will see there is a light above this button. The first thing is we are going to import the icon. So we go to the profile page and go to the top, and we have to import the font awesome because we are going to use the font awesome for the grid radical and also the FA address card, and this is the address card. And also we are going to use the hero icon which has the play button and also the bookmark icon. Now after we already import all of the icons, we are going to add the line. So the first is we have to add this HR element, and which has the border grade 500. So this is a darker gray. And we have a margin top, so we have a space between the top and the line. So we save it. Now if we look at the website, we can see it already has the line added on the profile page. So we continue to add the 4 buttons. And then we create a div to contain all of these buttons. So we add the div and then flex and then justify center, and then we are going to add the button. So we create a button and we want to add the border grade of 800, and then we go to add the name. For example, the first one is post. So now we should have the button of post. And now we want to paste all of these buttons to the center. So for example, we have these 4 buttons. This is all on the starting point, so we should use the justify center. And then we should make a gap of 10. Now you can see the 4 buttons already have some space in between, and we can add a border top to see what it looks like. So we add border top. So now you can see the borders is on the top, and we are going to try to make it on the horizontal line. So we want to try to use the margin, the negative margin, and 0.5 pixel. And now we continue to style the button, and we have to add the padding wise. So it has some paddings on the top and also at the bottom. So we have the py of unit X, and we want to make the text is small, and this should be 4 units. And we also want to make the font weight is semi-bold. So we use font semi-bold, and we will put the icon here. So we use font awesome, and then icon is equal to the grid vertical, and the size is equal to LG. So we save it. Now we have the icon, and we want to make the gap of 2, and we also have to add the flex. So now it has some space between the icon and also the text, and then we also need to use the text of grade of 400. But when we focus, we are going to darker the text, so we use focus and then text grade 600. And then we also add focus border top. So only when you click on this, it will have the border. So we copy all of these style and paste to the other buttons. And then we change the name. So the first one is videos saved and text. So we change this to videos save and tag. And then we are going to add the other icons. So we want to add a play icon to the videos. And then we also add the bookmark icon to save. And last, we will also add the address card icon to the tag. So now we already create all of these icons, and when the user click on this, it will have a line appeared on the top.